Hello guys, welcome to the WordPress course. So in this class, we are going to learn how to install the XAMPP server, because we need to install XAMPP server first, then we can use the WordPress. So what we need to do for the install the WordPress, we need to search on Chrome as XAMPP download. So I'm writing here XAMPP download and enter. Now you can see here's a website XAMPP download. We need to click on it. I'm clicking on it. Now you can see as a XAMPP setup, you can download XAMPP setup from here. If you have a Windows, you can download Windows setup. If you have a Linux setup, you can download. If you have an Apple product, you can download from here. Now what we need to do, because we have a window, we need to download from here. Note this thing, you need to download latest setup. So I'm downloading here from latest setup. Click on the download. Now you can see as our downloading will be started here. If the downloading is not started yet, you need to click on here. I'm clicking on here. Now you can see our downloading is started, and start the download. So our downloading is started. Now what we need to do, we need to install it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Now what we need to do, click here from yes, and then allow the all permission. It will ask to you. Now you can see XAMPP is installing. Click on OK, and then next, and then next, and then next, and now you can see welcome to XAMPP. XAMPP is installing. Once it's installed, and then we will learn in the next class how we can install the completely WordPress. How can we make the database XAMPP server. Now as you can see, XAMPP is installed. Now we need to allow the access. Click on the allow access. Now it's done. What we need to do, click on the finish, and you will see this interface. From here you need to start Apache and MySQL. So this is how we can install the XAMPP server in our laptop and computer. So see you guys in the next video.